Friends, it's Running Kimono here, and we have a midweek haul. We have Walgreens. Oh my gosh, the clearance is insane. We have Rite Aid, some free body wash, and then over at Walgreens, I finally found the elusive 3-cent items, and we'll talk about that. So the first store we're going to talk about is Walgreens. I know most of you are just here for the Walgreens content. I made a video yesterday where lots of the products are 90% off. If your store is not tagged, by all means go and check it out. You have nothing to lose. Watch this video. It'll be linked at the end. Clearance is always your mileage may vary, meaning what's happening here in Michigan might not be the same that's happening in Texas, or it might be on the same clearance pattern. Usually on Tuesdays or Saturdays, these prices tend to drop, so keep a watchful eye out for what I'm showing you. You have to do this in store, so if you want to play around with the app at home, not going to work. Bring the merchandise to a cashier and ask the cashier to verify a price for you, like what's the price on this, and they will let you know yay or nay. They can do it at the cash register or with a handheld Zebra. And yes, you can use Register Rewards or Walgreens Cash to buy clearance. Okay, guys, so when you're out there, out and about looking for clearance, definitely read these tags because not all body wash was part of it. But you can see this is 90% off, so from $2.29 down to 29 cents. I mean, wow. And then really be careful because some of it was tagged, some of it wasn't part of it, so you really have to like maybe rip the tag off, read it, and say, oh, cucumber melon, that's the one to grab. Oh, violet blooms, that's the one to grab. Cherry blossom, not part of it. And just find this in a regular shelf around the beauty aisle. It wasn't with the body wash, at least at the stores I was visiting. Now let's talk about the cough drop deal. A lot of people are scoring this. Some people with success. Some people the register reward is not printing. So the yellow sugar-free or the yellow, just the regular one, I believe it's 30 drops per bag. You're going to grab 2 of them. So just to show you the tag, it's part of this promotion of buy 2, get back a $5 register reward. When they are going to pull this, it's kind of unknown. So I know it's been printing even yesterday. People were scoring this like crazy. Lots of content makers are talking about this little dealio. But just, it's a good deal. I didn't go too overboard on this. I just got enough because we do go through quite a few cough drops in this house. Grabbing 2 of the bags, and I went with sugar-free. It's $2.68. Subtracting $2 in Walgreens Cash, you get back a $5 store register reward, making this free plus a $2.31 money maker. The register reward will only print once per transaction. So say you wanted to do this twice with 4 bags. 2 register rewards will not print out in one transaction. You'll have to break it up in 2 separate transactions to get the 2 register rewards to print. Okay, now let's talk about the Fun in the Sun stuff. On Monday, this stuff hit 70% off. Now, I firmly believe that it's either going to be next Tuesday or possibly on the 24th of September, it's going to hit 80%. I don't believe it went to 90 last year. Stores are always your mileage may vary. If they have a ton of stuff, it might drop a lot quicker than this. But as per this tag, I think that on the 24th, which is a Saturday, we might see a huge drop. But I've heard other social media influencers saying next week it might drop. So just keep a watchful eye out if this is stuff that you like. But if this is not your thing, by all means, shop accordingly. Okay, the next store that we have is Walmart. I'm going to show you 2 different deals. If you got the September P&G, you can get it in the local newspaper last weekend. If you didn't get it, just maybe ask a friend or family member who gets the newspaper or go to the circulation department at your newspaper. Anyhow, we're going to need this BOGO free coupon, grabbing 1 Gain Power Wash with the spray and the refill. So 1 of each as pictured. The 2 products, guys, is $7.88, and you're going to use that BOGO free. You're going to pay $4.44. IBOTTA's giving back $3.99 for the purchase of 2, making it 45 cents for the 2 products. Okay, now we have the Burt's Bees charcoal. We have a 5 off of 2 from the same September P&G insert, so we're going to grab 2 boxes of the Burt's Bees fancier toothpaste. Grabbing 2 of them for $9.94, subtracting that digital or that coupon from the September P&G, you're paying $4.94, and IBOTTA's giving back $5 when you buy 2, essentially making it for free. These are Walmart exclusives only, and here is my rebates. I got back $8.99, and just to let you guys know, it did not reset for me. I could only do it the one time, and I think it's Walmart only. There's other little freebies or cheapies with some dry sprays for Secret and Old Spice, a little car clip for Febreze, but I went with these two items. I thought they were the most practical. Now, one thing I want to talk about are 3-cent hauls. I've been seeing a lot of really big influencers talk about finding a bunch of items on clearance for 3 cents. For the longest time, the Walmart app, whatever you scanned in the store, it was just creating a bunch of errors. And for whatever reason, they fixed it last weekend. And the whole time people were hauling these 3-cent hauls for, candles and other things. I mean, look but don't touch. I just was busy. I had a parent visiting from out of town. I didn't have time to look through the store and scour. But those MAUI shampoos, earlier this week I went to the store and I started scanning because I saw somebody else haul them, and I'm like, I wonder if I could find some. And guess what? It started ringing up 3 cents at my location. So I got 12 of them just to show you the checkout, because I know a lot of people are probably not going to believe what I'm saying. But yeah, you can actually find these in the wild. I'm going to show you how to do that, and hopefully your store will start tracking for this. My understanding is that this 3-cent thing is because they have a surplus of merchandise in their warehouse or whatever. So that's why a lot of this stuff is getting marked down to that cost. So the flavors that I had some sort of rose water, the pink one. The blue one was coconut milk, and then the green one was bamboo fibers. Go to the site brickseek.com, completely free to use this site. And what you're going to do is type in the UPC along with your zip code and see if they might have it. If you see them in stock for 3 cents, definitely worth looking. These have been found on end caps. I found them in the regular shampoo aisle, and these are the UPCs for these different products. So grab a screenshot and look them up on BrickSeek. They are the larger bottles, and I think they were, let me think here. They were, I think, originally like $9 per. It's a crazy deal to get 12 of these for, like, I think I paid like 30 something cents. It was crazy, and quite the rush too. But it was really hard to look at other people's hauls and then just not to have the time to get out to Walmart to really look, and the app's not working. But I was able to have a lot of success on Monday with this. So if this is your thing, definitely look for this MAUI shampoo. 90% savings on these children's Disney and different print towels. So they were $9.98 down to $1. Go to the site brickseek.com. I typed it a couple slides back, and here are the UPCs, or go to the store and look for this. Maybe it's on clearance, maybe it's not. But from the comfort of your home, probably the easiest thing to do is just go on the site brickseek, type it in, and see. Typically, I don't have a lot of success myself in the past, but they fixed the app, and all systems a go, and I was really delighted to get a lot of these. They're going to make a cute little stocking stuffer for Christmas for some nieces and nephews, and really happy about that. The last store we're going to talk about is Rite Aid, and we have this coupon, which is $5 off of a $25. Grab a screenshot. This is the only coupon I used for this dealio. What I did was I grabbed 4 of the Aquafinas and then 4 of the men's Suaves. The men's Suaves are completely free, and the Aquafinas are a really good deal. And why are you buying water? What a curious thing. They are buy 2, get a $5 of bonus cash. And sometimes if the power goes out at our house, we can't get water because our well it runs on electric. And sometimes it's really good to stockpile a little bit of water. And the water we had in our house, this is weird, guys, but I had it in the basement for like a couple of years. And I gave my mom one of them recently when she was visiting, because we were driving somewhere on a road trip and I needed a couple waters for the car. And we both took a sip, and I'm like, something tastes weird with this plastic. And my mom agreed. And it was just some sort of generic Meyer water. So all of that, we threw it all out. New waters. I think you should probably replace it every year because of the plastic. But this was just a superb deal for a stock-up price. So they are $5.49. And if you're looking at the tag here, earn $5 when you buy 2. Now, I had a really bad run-in with a cashier last week at Rite Aid. A young man served me. No problems, no issues. He scanned everything quickly. It was like he was a Navy SEAL. It was easy. And then the Suave Men, you can either get the Suave Men or women, 2 for $4. And then when you buy 2, you get back $4 in bonus cash, making this completely free. So just to jog you through the mathematics for this deal, 4 of the Aquafina waters, those cases of water, is $21.96, and then 4 of the Men's Suave is $8 for a total of $29.96. I got the cashier scan my store card, scan the merchandise, scan that flu coupon. I had to pay $24.96 out of pocket, and then I got back $18 in bonus cash, 10 for Aquafina, 8 for Suave Men. It made it $6.96 for the 8 items, or 87 cents per. Considering I'm getting these large cases of water for our little food stockpile, I am okay with that. Good luck, guys. These deals are amazing this week. What a trip this week has been, extreme couponing. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.